Hi. This is George, and welcome to my review of Lez Bankz, a new training course designed with newbies in mind, from Jono Armstrong, Zeeshan Ahmed, Branson Tay, and Ashley Parry. Lez Bankz consists of training in a complete recurring commission method that includes free traffic, evergreen offers, and step-by-step training. Multi-million-dollar brands do the selling for you, so you don't have to learn a thing about sales. In a nutshell, Lez Bankz gives you beginner-friendly, over-the-shoulder training combined with traffic and multiple offers to choose from, making this an all-inclusive solution. It's loaded with proof, and is built on a rock-solid foundation of buyer behavior. Sales are done for you by the multi-million-dollar companies behind the included offers, so it's a no-brainer for non-native English speakers, or those that just don't like selling. Set and forget campaigns make Lez Bankz great for busy, or lazy people. Let me show you more about it. Here we are inside the members area of Lez Bankz. This first screen is the dashboard. The training videos appear on the right side of the screen. There is a navigation menu along the left side of the screen so you can quickly get to various parts of the training. The course consists of training videos in several modules. Here is a summary of the training videos that are included. The equation of money. The proven business model. The 3 types of affiliate products. Power of recurring commission. How to find products that pay recurring commission. Bonus, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. How to promote any affiliate offers. Ultimate free traffic strategies. Overcome the fear. Overview of 8-step blueprint. Step 1, choose a product. Step 2, plan and outline. Step 3, creating your videos. Step 4, editing videos. Step 5, set up your YouTube channel. Step 6, uploading to YouTube. Step 7, optimizing your videos. Step 8, promote your videos. 10 times your commissions. To the next level. How to integrate GetResponse and ClickFunnels. Here are the Lez Bankz front end and upgrade prices. The front end is only $17 during the launch period. The front end of Lez Bankz gives you full access to the complete recurring commission method, including free traffic, evergreen offers, and step-by-step training. Multi-million-dollar brands do the selling for you, so you don't have to learn a thing about sales. You'll get truly set and forget campaigns for recurring profits, with zero extra effort. Upgrade number 1. This is the Done For You edition at $47. You get a hand-picked selection of completely done-for-you funnels, premium offers, and promotional tools not available on the front end. This makes it even faster for anyone to be up running, and in profit with practically no effort at all. Perfect for newbies and those after multiple streams of recurring income. Upgrade number 2. This is the 4 times case studies plus 10 times traffic at $67. You get 4 powerful case studies walking through Lez Bankz in action. For case study, you will see the specific offer, setup, and exactly how to copy our results from the start to recurring profit. Jono's advanced 10 times traffic training covers premium methods for scaling this system, or any other, to levels never before possible. Upgrade number 3. This is the Software Automation Bundle Plus Outsourcing Suite at $197. This value-packed upgrade lets you completely automate your entire online operation. You'll get award-winning software including free traffic app, paid traffic app, autoresponder, money page builder with hosting, squeeze page creator with hosting, email conversion suite. Plus, a Rolodex with contact information of our best service providers, so you can outsource and put your business on full autopilot. Upgrade number 4. This is the Resellers Bundle license at $197. You get reseller and developer rights to Lez Bankz, Continuum, Vanquish, and JavaScript Commission Bot. These 2-in-1 rights give you your own turnkey digital business, where you can make 100% vendor profits, without the hassles or costs of product creation. Check out Lez Bankz today. There's nothing like it out on the market right now. It's for everyone who wants a ready-made, Newbie friendly, step-by-step method to get started and making money. Click the link in the description below for a great bonus package being offered with Lez Bankz.